So this is the Edpuzzle homepage. So if we go to the left side and we click My Content, you can see that I have some videos here. You can go to the right side, click Add Content, create a video, and you can use either already created Edpuzzle videos with questions to them, or you can go over to YouTube and up here in the search bar, type in a video that you want to look up, and then you can choose from there. We're going to go back to My Content and use a video that I've already started working on. So if you want to edit the video, you click Edit, and then you can go to wherever you want to add a question, and you can click VoiceOver, Cut, or Question. We're going to add a question. You can do a multiple choice question, open-ended, or add a note. I'm going to do a multiple choice question, and I'm going to say, oops. Say, what color are the birds? We're going to say red, yellow. We're going to add another answer choice, and blue. And this is going to be the correct answer choice, so we're going to check mark it and then save. So then when the video gets to this point, it will stop and it'll say, what color are the birds? Red, yellow, blue. And in order to keep on with the video, you have to select one. So the students will select blue, click continue, and then the video will continue. You can see I have other questions here. So what do you think of the small birds making fun of the big birds? Why are the small birds angry with the big bird? Do you think it is right for the small birds to treat the big bird that way? So you can see as you go through, there's different questions, and I can go and adjust them as I want to.